Still taking time.
Or just give him the command and ask him, could you restart this or I have to do it manually? Just ask him.
Mm, okay, okay. Like I'm not getting option to write. That's all. Let me check. Okay. I have to do it.
Okay, so just restart it.
But first we have to install the packages.
Open
Restart
requirements.txt.
means I close this entirely.
Yeah, close this.
Entire पूरा.
Yes, everything. And try reopening the editor.
Yes. One second, my screen is stuck.
It happens sometimes when you are training the big LLMs models. Sometimes your system doesn't work properly. For me to build it means like my system got stuck at least 10 to 15 times. I had the errors means like my system doesn't responded well. So it will happen. And anyone who is developing this model will happen to them as well. Yeah,
Now we'll encounter with some of the errors. Wait, it will give you because you can see this red mark. And now the errors are here. Like I did these same steps earlier when I was doing it alone, and I faced the same situation.
can you just in the terminal itself, can you just type pip install langchain in the terminal itself? No,
Oh,
not
sorry.
not there on the terminal,
Mm-hmm.
not langchain community, langchain itself.
I know, but I'm copy pasting at least once. So then same issue.
So just tell him the same thing. It's like you have restarted all the things and you have performed all the steps, but again it's showing the same error. And you're just tell him that the Python interpreter is also correctly selected. Just tell him all the things which you are facing it and which you have tried it. Just execute those the in your words.
Okay. I mentioned everything. Let's see. Or importing, like installing.
Run.
Mm-hmm. I did.
Accept. The settings file should force VS Code to use the correct Python. Do your VS Code use the same interpreter? Have you checked with the VS Code?
Can you please tell me those steps?
VS Code means like basically what cursor does, no? Cursor, it gets its data from VS Code.
Hmm. So like I did that import. There was one pop-up came that import everything from VS Code and I clicked on that. So whatever data you're seeing here is all imported from there.
Try reloading your editor. The settings file should force VS Code to use the current Python interpreter. Uh, uh, Try doing it once.
Okay.
Except, except, where is that main.py file? Can you just run it? Run main.py file.
It's saying no module name PDF plumber. Still.
So copy this thing, the error, whatever thing you are getting it.
Mm-hmm. Not able to copy. Let's see. Okay.
If Aditi, if it doesn't get resolved in 2 to 3 minutes, so what you can do, you can send these files to me. Okay, you can send these files. If there is an option of sending the folders, you can zip the file and mail me. Okay, through the mail, because on WhatsApp or any tools, you will not see the option of mailing, means like attaching the folder. So either you can mail with all these folders, you can do that, and on my behalf, I will try executing these lines of code, whether it's working or not. And whatever changes will
Oh,
be there, I will just tell you. Yeah, it will work. It's like is just, and
it
it
will
depends
work.
upon your network.
It's just taking time.
Yeah, you have to be patient. It's like,
Obviously, a new code takes time.
hmm.
Like, should I click on move to background?
No, when,
It's
okay,
loading now.
so tell me when, I am telling you when we can move to background is whenever you
Well,
see your location, your current directory, if you are seeing it, then you should move to background. Right now, your current directory is not being displayed, right? What's your current directory? It's D drive autonomous AI project. That's your current
mm-hmm.
directory. If it's available, if it's being seen there itself, then you should move to the background.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right now it's taking time,
Yeah,
or you can do one thing, try just moving it to background now. Let's see what happens.
but it's loading.
Okay, then wait.
Abhi it increase.
Then wait, you have to do
See,
means like,
it will take time. You can see a lot of
so that's the
downloading
reason.
state.
Means like it took me at least 6 hours to build it. For me, it was 6 hours, and today I've spent 2 hours. So total of 8 to 10 hours I have spent it in building this. So
Yeah, I
obviously
can understand.
you have to spend this many
So,
hours.
so for me, what I can do, I can let me check from my end. If I'm not able to complete this, I'll share it with you. Up till then, you can give your updates and you can.
Yeah. So I will be sharing my screen. Okay. So here you can see basically this is my UI UX, right? And right now it's agentic planning. And I have asked him get insights from the paper inserted. So you can see the insights, literature overview, description, conduct comprehensive literature overview, tool rack system accepted outcome. You can see your gap analysis is there. So basically these are the insights, paper analysis. These are the insights which we have got. And this is execution plan step by step. So basically this some of the analysis you are getting, but some it's still needed to go. Okay. So right now what you can see means like in previous yesterday, these things weren't visible at all, right? But today you can see the steps here. If I will go here on my overview and AI stack, okay. So you can see these things are there, right? And on the previous day, it wasn't visible at all. If I will go in evolutionary AI, so generate number of generation, if you want 20 number of hypotheses, whatever, if you want to select, you can select. Okay. And if I'll click on it, generate hypothesis, evolutionary. So you can see here, means like bit of some error is there. Okay. So I think this error is in my hypothesis.py file. So it will get corrected. But right now, when I talk about my yesterday steps, yes, various things are now, means like this UI, you can be able to say that it is being increased. I have to just change into my Streamlit app.py file, and these all things will be obviously it will be visible, right? And if I will go here in top uh, reinforcement learning, yeah. So you can see here my RL training progress. You can see the graph, and if I want to see the recommendation, you can see here. So basically, what's happening means like my models are working. Okay, models like in the sense what my every model, RL model, hypothesis model, whether it's the deep learning model or agentic AI model, all the models are working, but few things are needed so that we can redefine it, right? Yesterday, like these models weren't working at all. It wasn't being visible as well. But right now, it's moving, right? Yesterday, if you would remember, you have told that the eyes, nose, when we are defining a human body, everything is on a perfect place, but only thing is needed, the functionality it should do, right? But right now, what happened? I have added the functionality, right? Only thing needed is that I have to be perfect, right? Everything you can see here, basic is there. Every model is working on a basic way, but I have to be perfect. And also one thing I have to do, I have to deploy this model on GitHub, and these all things needed to be done. So yes, this was from my side. So we will discuss another thing tomorrow and see you then tomorrow. So goodbye, everyone.
Thank
And
you so much. Bye bye.
yeah, bye bye. Jai Hind.